Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get more FPS in Minecraft PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Windows settings, go to the Apps tab and access Installed Apps section. Inside it, simply choose the app you think is running in background and open its advanced settings. Then go to the app refresh settings and choose Never. Repeat this step for all of the apps that you think are unnecessary and run in the background. After that, close the window, search for Graphics and open the tab. Now click on Browse and locate Java. It is usually installed in this directory. Simply open the bin folder and select Java W. Then change the graphics to high performance and change the power plans to best performance. Then open Minecraft and you will see a drastic change in the performance levels. And that's how you can get more FPS in Minecraft PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.